Hi guys, we have here the 7-piece quick change airbrush kit. As you can see here, item number 93506. If you're looking to purchase this, please visit the link in the description below. As always, we do have them, so let's open this up, give you guys a quick 360 look at what you will receive when you're purchasing this. You can see here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Take the products out of the box here. We also have the instruction, 1-year warranty information, and so forth. There you have that. You have this. So there you have it. Airbrush kit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with the pieces, as you can see here. That's what you receive in the box. That's what you have here. So it's a pretty simple box, cost effective. That's what it looks like. So if you're looking to purchase this, please visit the link in the description below. As always, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.